Hi, I'm Danny Ward, and this is Knowledgica in 60 seconds or less. Feeling a bit too warm? Fans are often a popular choice when it comes to cooling people down, but how do they actually work? Well, first off, they don't actually cool the air. Sorry to say it. If anything, they probably warm the air up due to the heat given off from the motor. What fans do, however, is increase the airflow. This leads to increased evaporation of sweat on the skin's surface, carrying away heat from the body, giving the feeling of cooling. In addition to this, the increased airflow leads to increased heat convection, meaning the hot air rises and the dense cool air falls. One major thing to note is that fans basically cannot work in seriously hot and humid conditions. Sweat cannot evaporate, so the body doesn't cool down, and the convection cannot occur if there is no dense cold air to sink down.